So we've gone through how to fold a fitted sheet. Now when it comes to storing sheets, sometimes they get lost, we lose a pillowcase, we lose 2 pillowcases, and they can never be found again. However, I've come across an easy way on keeping it all together. So you've got your fitted sheet, and you've got your flat sheet. What I like to do is I grab one of the pillowcases and I just fold it in half, so it's like this, place it down on the table, and then I put the fitted sheet inside the flat sheet, so it looks like this, just like this, and then I just lay it on the centre of the pillowcase, and then I fold it. So it looks like this. And then I grab the other pillowcase, and then I just pop it inside. It's that easy. And then, when it's inside the pillowcase, I then just fold it in half and slip it in the cupboard. So it depends on how you have your linen closet. I like to keep mine in a basket. It just keeps them all together. I know where it is, and it looks very, very tidy. And so when I grab it all out, it's all together in the pillowcase, ready to go. And now what you can do is, if you have different quilt covers and you have certain sheets that go on different quilt covers, you can also put this inside the quilt cover. That way it's all together, it's ready to go, and hope that